Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to test your Shopify store before it launches. Testing your Shopify store before going live helps you avoid costly mistakes. It allows you to catch errors early, improve customer experience, and make sure orders and payments work properly. Never skip this step if you want a smooth and professional launch. We can start by viewing your store from a customer's perspective. Visit your home page, collections, and product pages. Check the product images, prices, descriptions, and buttons. Make sure everything looks clean and works correctly on both desktop and mobile. The next step is enabling Shopify's test payment mode so no real money is charged. Add a product to your cart and go through the full checkout process. Complete a test order to confirm checkout, taxes, and order confirmations are working as expected. Then, go to your payment settings, go to Settings, then click on Payment, and review all of your payment methods. Make sure the correct payment options are visible and properly set up. Even small payment issues can prevent customers from completing a purchase. Now, you can test your shipping and tax setup. Place an order using a different location to check the shipping rates and also the tax calculations. This helps prevent unexpected charges that could confuse or frustrate our customers. Additionally, check all automated emails, make sure order confirmations, shipping updates, and customer emails are being sent correctly. These emails are part of the customer experience, so they should look clear and professional. And if you have a refund or a privacy and shipping policy page, go ahead and review those. Make sure these pages are easy to find and simple to understand. Clear policies help build trust with customers before they place an order. Finally, ask someone else to test your store. A fresh pair of eyes can spot problems you might miss. Use this feedback to improve usability and fix any last issues before launching. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.